Hello, welcome back to Feral Art, the Pride Collab edition. How you doing? We will be using the colors of the gender fluid flag, which is still sort of a mystery to a whole bunch of people. Gender fluid basically means that you identify as neither male nor female. You're just a human being existing on the earth. The colors of that flag that I have mixed up today are Amsterdam Titanium White. I have Amsterdam Lamp Black. This is Amsterdam Red Violet mixed with Arteza Violet. Liquitex Basics Fluorescent Pink. Amsterdam Phthalo Blue. Just for a little bling, a little bit of Deco Art 24 karat gold. I'm going to put some white. I have 8 of them.
Taking me far, far from
Here are our wet results of my gender fluid pride flag pour. Pronouns.
When you're lost, I want you to know I'll find you. So come on, baby, it's alright to go home. Am I getting through? Why'd you leave it on the line when you want it? Why you break it all the time when you feel it? Why'd you leave it on the line when you want it? Why you break it all the time? Break it all the time. Break it all the time. You don't have to build an army. You have spent your last dime. You think it's you against the world alone, but I've been here for all this time. I will tell it like it is. You're wonderful in every way. It's true, you light the world, you know. You shine brighter than the day. When you're lost, I want you to know I'll find you.
Here we have the dried results of my gender fluid flag pour for Pride Month. All of our colors are here. They're all well represented. We have white and black and bright pink and purple and blue. In my description box, you'll see what they all mean. Also, we have our letters, they and them, that have been stenciled on and then foiled over. And let's get in here and have a look. Don't buy the cheap foil from Amazon. It's awful. But look at the lines. There's some nice lines and cells. I'm overall happy with the painting. I had a lot of problem with my stencils, but so it goes. They, them, pronouns are so important, folks. It's all just a matter of respect and trying. I know it's tough. You know, I'm an oldie. I'm pretty set in my grammatical ways, but if someone tells you, I want you to call me them and they, not she and her, not he and him, it's just important to really try to do that. It's not easy, but it's a matter of respect. And for Pride Month, I'd say that's something to aspire to. I would like to thank Nate and Yan for coming up with this great collab. Thanks a bunch. It was an honor to take part. And really think about this, folks. Gender fluid, it's a thing. It's a thing whether you like it or not. Respect it. That's all it takes. Thanks a lot for hanging out with me today. Thanks for coming along for the ride. I'll see you next time.